bad boy. The kitty cat. I think we're getting ready to jump on it, y'all. What do y'all think? Should I get it? Yeah, I think so too. It's a sweet gun store though. Have to do a review on this one time, but let's go ahead and do the paperwork on this and see what we can do. Unbox it. All right, well, you see, we brought it home. We just had to have it. The DPMS Panther Arms Kitty Cat in 5.56. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's take a look at her. Let's take a look. There she is. Now, as you can see, I've already done a little bit to her because I had her out last night, and I went ahead and put some white stenciling on there, just so that would pop a little bit, and then I hung a sling on it, and yeah, just for aesthetics, really. All right, let's see what comes in the bag here. Well, tell you what, there we go. So you got one magazine. That's a DPMS magazine. That's cool. The chamber lock that I throw away. And you got a nice manual. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, very nice manual comes with this. Pretty much standard AR, everything on it, other than size. So, you know. Anyway, I got a nice sticker to go on my sticker wall. That's really nice. All right, and let me set this on the tripod so I can have both my hands, and I'll move the box out of the way. We'll take a look. All right, we're back, and there's the old kitty. See, it says it's made in West Columbia, South Carolina, USA. DPMS, 5.56 NATO, caliber multi. That's for 223 and 5.56. Look at this handguard in metal. This is actually made by Palmetto State Armory. Of course, if you want to see, it's clear. It's got a standard mil spec trigger pull on it. Take a look at the other side here. Just you know, standard old AR. Come a little shipping grease with it. And you got your adjustable rear sight, adjustable front sight post, and then you've got this brace on it that looks like a stock. Extends out like this. This is the one of the magazines throw in just to get the look of it here. Look at that, man. Yeah. This thing is screaming for an FRT. Screaming. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna FRT this thing, and plan on putting a partisan disruptor, just like I have in my Geisley, and go out and have some fun with this thing. So unfortunately, I don't have the means to get that done today, so it will be in my next video with this in it. We'll have the FRT and we'll test it, see how she runs. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna call it right here. Toby, tell them bye. Say we out. We out. All right, guys. We out.